Hey guys, if you've been using N8N Automation software for some time, you'll already know that self-hosting is the way to go. You can go cloud, but you'll hit a wall with respect to executions. I have tried various self-hosting platforms, but for N8N, I found that Hostinger was definitely the right choice for me. Today, we want to go and install it on Hostinger. Let's go through it. So right here, we'll bring you to hostinger.com. Just type in Hostinger, Google, bring it up. Okay, so we want to go sign up. Some random email address I have. Password, register. Okay, so you want to put in your address, your state, zip. Navigate to all services. You want to search for N8N. Add a new VPS with N8N. You want to pick the server that's closest to you. I'm located in Texas. Phoenix is good. Search N8N. Developer tools N8N. Select. We want to build on Ubuntu. Root password. I'm going to make up some root password here. Malware scanner free, sure, why not? Daily backups paid, okay, well, you don't have to sign up for that if you don't want to. This brings us to our actual hosting or VPSs. Now, it really depends what kind of workload that you have. If you're only starting off, I recommend the $5 a month, okay, guys? This will get you one CPU core, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 50 gigabytes of disk space, and 4 terabytes bandwidth. Look, this is more than adequate. There is absolutely nothing wrong with the $5 plan. As a matter of fact, I would definitely recommend going with this plan to begin with. And it's very easy. You can just jack it up afterwards if you want to the $7 or the $10 plan. Me personally, I have the $10 plan, but I have a lot of workflows and I needed a little bit more juice, okay? But the $5 plan is absolutely perfect. So you go here, so bring you to pricing. You can go 24, 12 months, doesn't matter, whatever you want. As a matter of fact, I'll drop a link with a 20% discount. It is affiliate link. I do get something in return. But yeah, we both win. You put in your payment details and you complete the payment, and that will bring you right to your N8N hosting. Now, since I've already signed up, I'm not going to sign up again. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you my VPS hosting. So the layout is pretty self-explanatory, guys. Home, we have, if you have websites, you can host it there as well. Domains, email, some other stuff that we're not going to go over today, okay? But what we want to focus on is down here, and you'll see VPS, and there's your N8N. Lo and behold, magic. Up here, you'll see N8N. Built on Ubuntu, which we clicked at the start. How to update N8N, changing the domain. If you're self-hosting, it's recommended to get a domain, and you can actually get your domain with hosting. It's relatively easy. You just go to domains over here, set up your domain, and you connect it, okay? I'll do that on another video. I'm not focusing on that here now. So you want to go here. So this is basically your CPU usage, memory, disk, traffic. A lot of this stuff you're not really going to have to look at. You will get email notifications from Hostinger if things start to clog up and you're using a little bit more than you should. They'll send you an alert, and at that stage you can reevaluate ramping up to that higher tier, okay? But here is the important part, how to update N8N. So when you are on N8N, down the bottom right in the corner, okay, let me show you. So when you're on your N8N, how will you know when you have to update it? Down here, down the bottom corner, you see this question mark? There will be, I don't have to update it now because I already have it updated from earlier, but you'll see one update available or something along them lines here. And since you're self-hosted, you can't just click there, update. You have to go back into your Hostinger, but it's very easy to update, okay? You go to Docker Manager, okay? And you want to click on these 3 dots. You click update. That's it, it updates. And give it about 2 or 3 minutes, and then you can go back in and all your workflows will be available. self-hosting is definitely the way to go. There is pros and cons, obviously, and cloud has, you know, it was a little bit more easier for some people. But once the initial setup is done, it's done. All you got to do is update it. If you need more juice, you can easily ramp up the tiers. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoy. Catch you again.